Once upon a time, a kind rabbit and its best friend, a sweet little cat, loved to play together in the fields. They would chase butterflies and roll in the soft grass under the warm sun. But one day, the cat fell very sick. It could no longer play or run around, and it lay weak and shivering. The rabbit, worried about its friend, quickly found a soft blanket. It gently covered the cat to keep it warm and brought some food, milk and fresh greens, hoping to help the cat recover. For days, the rabbit stayed close, making sure the cat had everything it needed. Slowly but surely, the cat began to feel better, and soon they were playing together again. One day, while they were playing in the meadow, a farmer appeared. He saw the cat and tried to catch it. The rabbit, remembering how it had helped before, rushed to protect its friend. But the farmer was too strong, and the rabbit didn't know what to do. Suddenly, out of nowhere, a small, cute lion cub came bounding in. The cub roared loudly, scaring the farmer away. The farmer, in a hurry, dropped the rabbit and the cat and ran off as fast as he could. The cub gently nuzzled the rabbit and the cat, making sure they were okay. Together, the three new friends, rabbit, cat, and cub, walked to a cozy little home nearby. Inside, they found a warm bed, and they all snuggled up together, safe and happy. From that day on, the rabbit, cat, and cub lived together in the cozy home, always watching out for each other, knowing that no matter what, they had the best friends in the world. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting videos.